How awesome is that sound, right? We all love our vintage Game Boys, or some people learn and play on them now. But one thing I noticed recently is that the games don't save anymore. So here I'm going to show you today is how to fix this. One of the popular games that usually has this issue is Pokémon series. This is the silver one. So there's a battery in here that we need to replace as they just basically expired. What you're going to need for this is either a CR2025 button cell battery, similar ones to used in like your car remote starts and so on, or a CR1616, which is a smaller version. So this is the CR2025 that goes in the Pokemon games. You're also going to need a 3.8mm security bit. You can get a kit of this and this on eBay. I got this 5 batteries and the bit for $7 free shipping. So it's pretty cheap. First thing you're going to do is flip your game. This screws right here. So we're going to take the bit and unscrew this. Once you do that, don't pry this open. It's not going to pop open. You have to slide it. Slide the top down. As you see, it's slid open. And then just pop it up. There's a couple tabs that hold it in. And here's our chip with the battery. So now you're going to need a solder to desolder this and get the battery out. So I'm going to remove this out of the case so we can work on it. I'm going to try to disconnect this. And that's it. That was simple. Alright, get the battery off. And we can probably reuse this solder as it's pretty heavy on there. So all batteries done. Now we can pop on the new one. Positive attached to the top. Negative is attached to the bottom. So that's how we're going to connect it. You can see this is marked negative here. Let me give you guys a close-up. So as you see, we're negative and we're positive. So you make sure you connect in the battery the same way. And try the negative side first. Okay. I'm gonna get some extra solder. I can't pronounce this, I'm sorry. What I'm doing is putting this on it and applying the solder right on top of the iron, and that creates the bubble, and then you just let go. And there we go. So that part is done. The battery's installed. Now we can just put it all back together. So remember the tabs. We slide this on. And then just click. Get the battery in. The screw with the bit. And let's make sure our game still works. All right, we are good. So now you should be able to save your game and so on. Another one I wanted to show you is Formula 1. This is one of my favorites, and I was getting really upset when I couldn't save my data. So this one I already took apart, and this one uses a CR1616 battery. So this actually uses the smaller battery. So that's the one you're going to need in here. So they do take different batteries. The Pokemon ones take the 2025. This one takes the 16. Then I tried another couple games. For example, Tetris, Super Mario Bros. Land. They don't have a battery inside, so that's not a feature you can do in these games. Same with, you can see this 007 game, I can see there's no battery just by looking through the case. So yeah, that's it guys, this is how it's done. I hope this is helpful. I hope this gets your games fixed and you can start playing. Thanks for watching.